Hey guys, JB here. Welcome to the channel, the place for information, ideas, thoughts, and just daily good energy videos. I hope you're doing fantastic today. And today, again, I have to jump in the studio because I've been super busy doing my events. Now, here's the deal. I do masterminds, I do keynotes, I do coaching, literally helping people all over the world. And we had 20-some people together the last couple days and tomorrow. And I'm trying to do my Get It Done Now kind of launch into my group to help those people. And I'm doing it virtually. And I'm using Zoom. And basically with Zoom, then I'm using a Sennheiser shotgun mic, an old one. I don't even know the model. Not important. You can use any shotgun mic with XLR. I think that's important. I'm using a Logitech Brio camera, which is a good high definition camera. And then I'm XLRing the microphone into my RodeCaster board, which gives me two different microphones, my Shure SM7B and my shotgun microphone. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm using the QuirkLogic Quilla to go ahead and teach when I stand up. These are 4-hour meetings. So it allows me to stand up and basically have two shots in a Zoom room with not a lot of technology. So the Logitech Brio just connects into the computer. So I'll show you all that. You see this and how that works. And basically what's going on then is the audio is coming in from the shotgun mic when I'm standing up. And then when I sit down, it's using the Shure SM7B. And it allows me these two shots to make the keynote presentation a lot more interesting. So what I want to do right now is show you what it's like after the meeting today. I just recorded a 1-minute clip of kind of how it looks so you can kind of see how I'm doing this and if this helps you in any way. So let's watch this clip and you see how I move from one camera to the next and kind of how it works to create a little bit more of a dynamic communication instead of just sitting in front of the camera and just talking. So let's watch this.
Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. This is how it looks when I'm doing the Zoom here. And then basically what I would do is change my camera angle. And I would come to the Logitech Brio. And then this is how it looks here with the shotgun mic. So now I'm over here working and I'm talking into here, and then I can use my Quilla in order to present. So I'm actually talking into this shotgun mic. You can't see it. The shotgun mic is picking me up, and I have the Logitech. I can change the camera a little bit if I want to, and you can kind of see how I am utilizing this as a virtual studio. So then I'm talking here, and I can do it. I can change the camera. You can kind of see the view. Then I come back here, and I jump to this camera, and now we're working on the desktop. I can share my screen and do everything I want, and it's like a virtual kind of meeting that I've been having, which is really super cool, and I wanted to share that with you.
Okay, welcome back. So you see how that works? So again, the shotgun mic is connected to and then I have the camera, the Brio, all together, Logitech Brio, and then the Brio goes into the computer, which works with Zoom or really any camera sharing system like Zoom, and then the microphones go into the board, which then processes it into the computer. Now, if you want to travel, you can use like a Zoom H6, which I also have, and the Zoom runs on batteries, and basically what you need is some type of interface, and there's all kinds of interfaces. Even this could be an interface. This thing can actually plug into the computer and be an interface. So as long as you have an interface to convert the audio, an XLR is really the key thing. This doesn't have an XLR, so it wouldn't work in this system, but it can work as an interface. You would want a good microphone, a good shotgun microphone like that old Sennheiser I got, which then connects to a board, which either is like the RodeCaster of the mini boards that are out there or the Zoom H6. And that way I'm getting different audio coming in from those different sources. And like with the Zoom, I could take my laptop, which is battery operated. I could take the Quilla, which is battery operated. That's the board in the back. I could take the microphone, which is battery operated with the Zoom H6. And now all of a sudden I have a portable Keynote system. And in fact, some people, as long as I have internet, and some people are actually renting out churches and doing keynotes there because it's got a really good background, right? And you could do the whole thing there. I actually could come in this studio, but because these are my people and there's 25 of them, I'm just working in my own studio, so I can go sit down and talk to them for a little while, then stand up and do some work, sit down and talk, stand up and do some work. And it really creates a more interactive engagement, more of an environment of learning, and it really allows me to teach at a much better level. So I said I would share that a little bit. So if you got any questions, please put them in the comments. Again, I don't know the Sennheiser model of that. It's an old Sennheiser that I've had for years. It does need phantom power. You can put a battery in it. but it works fine for this usage. By the way, I will tell you that yes, I can up the live game, and I will for our Thursdays. Remember, we usually get together around Thursday, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time to do Tech Talk Lives. Maybe a little late. I got a golf lesson this week, but right around 1, because I have a golf lesson from 12 to 1, so I'll be right on time. But you can use a cam link, which is a small device that you can plug in these type of cameras like I'm using here. I have a Sony a7C coming in the next couple days. It's just being released. When that comes, I'm going to get a cam link and I'm going to start upping my live system. So even that Logitech Brio that I have there, I can actually take it a step further, and I'm going to do that to increase the quality of my live keynote presentations in this new world. But at the end of the day, it works. The Logitech Brio connected to the Sennheiser microphone, into a board, into the computer, into Zoom, and now you've got a portable way to communicate. And you don't need Aquila, you can use a whiteboard or something, but now you can actually work in front of like a keynote, like you're on stage, instead of just sitting in front of your desk trying to make that happen. And I thought I would share that with you. Okay, so if you don't mind smashing that like button, helps us get this to hit the algorithm. And if this is something that has helped you, fantastic. Love to have you subscribe and be a part of this community. As I always say, it is a community more than a channel, and we try to do the best we can and bring you great ideas and information on a daily basis. So go have a fantastic day as always, and I hope this helps you up your Zoom game just a little bit if you have to do a presentation. All right, go have a great one. Until tomorrow, we'll see you later.